Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, we'll talk about the special bonus which we have for you today. It's for limited time only and I'm giving away my own software called Review2Profit AI. Okay, so this is my own software which I have launched. So if you want to get this as a bonus along with these other three bonuses, then make sure you watch the video from now until the end, and then we'll also discuss these methods to make money online below my video. Okay, so let me summarize this before we start the review. So if you want my bonuses, if you want to know what they are, how you can get them, then you have to watch the video from now till the end along with the methods to make money online. But if you do not care about bonuses or anything else, you only want to see the review, then you can go and watch the last half of the video. You can watch last 7 minutes of the video if you only want to watch the review. Otherwise, just watch the full video from now on. Okay, and let's come back and talk about what these bonuses are. So this part will be around 8 minutes long maybe, and then we'll do the review. So just stay till the end, have some patience. Okay, bonus number one is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get into affiliate marketing or you want to do email marketing, you have to capture leads and send emails to them, right? For that, you need the software, the system, and I am giving you free lifetime email autoresponder. You can get that as a bonus. Second is obviously my software, Review2Profit AI, which is right here. So how this works, I'll just show you some glimpses. So all we need is a URL link. So let me copy maybe for example this link here. So you type in your offer name, whatever offer you want to promote or market. So in my case, I'll use, let's say, Traffic Jarvis, and then I will paste my link here. And the main benefit of the product is, for example, this monetizes YouTube channel fast. Okay, you can take your time and write more if you want to. The category, I would say, let's say make money online, and then I'm going to click on generate campaign. Okay, and this is what it does. It gives you all these prompts, as you can see here, very detailed prompts, right? So this is article, this is YouTube script, then we have email promo, then you have bonus page, and then social media, then AI visuals. You have six of them. All you have to do is just click on this button which says open in ChatGPT and just do Control V or copy paste. Okay, and everything's right here. And all you have to do is click on this arrow, and the ChatGPT will give you that article. Okay, so you will get everything. If you go and get this Review2Profit, you will be able to generate all the content for your any sales page for any offer. Okay, so this is you're gonna get as a bonus free if you go and buy the copy for which we're gonna do the review in next few minutes using my link below. Okay, and then forex profit machine, or this one, grab Kishacking first. So Kishacking is a 2 hours training program. If I show you right here on YouTube, it recorded by me in my own voice. So in this training, you will learn exactly what I am doing right now, what others are doing. For example, how to make these YouTube review videos and get some sales. Okay. So if you want to learn exactly how to do what I'm doing, then you will go to this training and you will know how to find the products and software and how to make YouTube videos, how to start the channel from scratch. Okay. So this is what you will learn for free. And then we have forex profit machine. So for those people who are curious about trading, they want to learn the basics, then you can get this 11,000 words PDF ebook. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email. So these are the bonuses you will get if you go and buy the copy using my link below. And one more thing here, only buy if you are willing to buy. Don't buy if you're looking for refunds. Okay, because there's too much value I'm giving you here. For example, if I show you below my video, click on more. So I sell this Kishacking as a as a separate program. Okay, so I charge separately for Kishacking, and if you click on this thing called check out all my Warrior Plus products right here, then you will see I sell Review2Profit separately. Okay, so you are getting all the paid things, and then you are also getting the this PLR, which also I sell separately. Okay, so you're getting too much value, and I don't know, you will be buying something for $12, $15 maybe. Okay, so only buy from me if you want it. Otherwise, don't buy if you want some refund later on. Okay, no refunds, then only buy. Are we clear so far? Because I am giving you more than you're paying for. Okay, so only buy if you want it. Otherwise, don't bother yourself or the vendor with refunds. Okay, So let's come back here. And now let's talk about ways to make money online. So stick till the end now. Wait 2 minutes more, I guess. So the first method to make money, which I use, is Swing Like a Pro. So you click on that link, then you type in your name and email. And then after that, you will come to this page right here. You can check out these videos. These are all the trades which I have taken in the recent past. You will see how I work and should you join this program or not. For that, you have to go and do your research and watch these videos. Okay, this method is only for people who got the money. Okay, so let me filter this very clearly. It's not for people who are on a budget, who are on salary. If you are not flexible with funds, for example, if 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000, but this kind of money is not in your bank account, then this is not for you. At least you should have 10,000 sitting in your bank account doing nothing. Okay, minimum. So if you are flexible with the funds, then only you should try trading. Otherwise, trading is not for people who are on a budget. Okay, and then we have get YouTube channel monetized. So you click on this link right here, and then you enter your name and email once again, and then you watch this testimonial as well. This program will get your YouTube channel monetized within 3-4 weeks. That's a big deal. Watch this video. This channel was monetized just in 2 weeks. Okay, so once you put in your details, you will come to this page right here, and then you have to scroll down and watch this video, then 10 minutes video, and then you can see these more proofs. This is the money was made just by making videos, because when people see ads in my videos, I make some money, which could be like this. Okay, then watch more testimonials. Then this is my consulting income. So in my videos, I offer my consulting services. People pay me this kind of money. That's why I make this money. Then we have affiliate marketing income, and these are old screenshots. Okay, I have not updated the screenshots. These are old income proofs. But the point is, everything works. Okay, whether you make 1,000, whether you make 10,000, whether you make 100,000, the bottom line is it works on YouTube. YouTube is your free traffic source. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, then go and get Traffic Jarvis if you're serious about YouTube. Okay, anyway, so what we got here? So we have my Warrior Plus products. So you click on this link here, and if you want to buy Drishyam AI Launch to Profits, for example, Drishyam AI is for visuals. Okay, if you want to create stunning visuals like these, and then you will get this elite prompt. Go and watch the demo video. It's a cool demo video, and you can get this if you want. You can also get Launch to Profit AI to generate your affiliate campaigns. Go and check out their sales pages. And if you want to get all these free for free, then you can simply go ahead and buy Traffic Jarvis. Okay, if you go and buy Traffic Jarvis, you will get all these 4 things for free as a bonus from me. Okay, so anything else do we have? We have one more thing, get 100 leads per day. So in case you want to get 100 leads per day and you want to email them once per day, then go and get this system, because this system, you can see, had been making recurring commissions to me. It will not make you rich, $5 here, $5 there, but it has been coming in for a number of years, as you can see. Okay, it's never ending. It will not make you rich, but if you want maybe a couple of $100 extra per month, this will help you. It depends on your hard work and discipline on your consistency. Okay, then we have consultations. So if you want to speak with me, you can click on this link right here, scroll down, and then click on book now, and you will have to pay $97. You can speak with me for 40 minutes. Okay, it shows 30 minutes. Ignore that. We have here 40 minutes, so you will be paying you'll be paying $97 if you want to consult with me one-to-one, any questions you have. Okay, affiliate marketing, this marketing, make money online, YouTube, trading, whatever questions you have related to make money online, you can book your consultation. You can talk to me. Okay, and then after making the payment, you can drop me an email on this address and tell me your timing. When do you want to speak? We can mutually decide the time, and then we can speak one-to-one on audio call. Okay, you can also email me if you have any questions before that. Right? Are we done? Okay, as you can see, I sell Kishacking separately, I sell Review2Profit separately, and you are getting all that as a bonus, which means whichever product you're gonna buy using my link below, that is not worth what is worth here. Okay, so I think you might be paying $12, $15 for the product for which we're gonna do the review, but if you get these bonuses, then the value increases. Okay, again, let me remind you, only buy if you want it, no refunds from my end. and don't bother yourself and don't bother the vendor for the refund. Okay, so there are two ways to get my bonuses. You go and buy the product for which we are doing the review, and then these bonuses will be automatically delivered. Or if you go and buy one of these two software, either you buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, and then you email me on this address and I'll send you all these bonuses manually. If you have any questions or doubts, you can always email. Thanks for watching so far, I guess. Subscribe, like, and share, and go nowhere. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the review. Alright, humans, let's do this Faith AI review. So right now we are on the sales page where you have this $3 discount coupon. Okay, so you can get this in how much? 11.95 only, along with my bonuses, if you remember. So how do you get this discount? Well, when you come to the sales page and then when you try to leave the sales page, then this pop-up will come, and that is how you can unlock and get the discount. Okay, otherwise you have to use this coupon code Faith AI 2, and then that will give you only maybe $2 discount. Okay, so if you want $3 off, then come to the sales page, try to move away, and then you will get this pop-up. Right now, how do you come to the sales page? For that, you have to click the link below my YouTube video which says grab Faith AI copy here. Click on that link, come to the page right here where it shows you stop paying for 10 different tools. One Christian creator platform now runs your entire ministry and faith business. Breakthrough, the first AI power system that creates sermons, devotionals, Bible studies, and prayers, builds your faith website, sells your digital products, and earns affiliate commissions all from one powerful dashboard, and replaces ghostwriters, this and that. All you have to do is keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling halfway through until you find the demo video, which is right here. Okay, so this is maybe around 40%. So if you scroll down until here, as you see in the corner, then you will see this 3 minutes 30 seconds long demo video. Go and play this. I have seen the demo video already. So this is the dashboard. This is how it looks. This is how it looks like. And you can generate everything, sermons, whatever they have told you on the sales page, including the video as well. You can generate some short videos as well, as you can see. So go and check out the demo video and then go and grab your copy. The dashboard looks neat and clean and functional to me. So go and get this if you want my bonuses, or if you don't want this software, still go and buy because you will get my bonuses if you do. So what do we have here? Let's see if we have some question answers somewhere. Did we skip them? We have it. We have them actually. So how long will the one-time price be available? It's available during this limited window. So do I need tech skills? Of course not. Do I need to install a software? No. Is this really one-time payment? Yes. Obviously, there will be OTOs. We'll talk about them. Do I keep the money from products I sell? Of course. Can I build a website? Yes. Will this work on Mac and PC mobile? It will. What makes this different from other AIs? Faith AI is built 100% for the Christian market. So it's a micro niche. Okay, it's a micro niche AI. And what if I don't like it? You have some money back guarantee, but I have told you in my videos, only buy from me if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so buy it if you want my bonuses or you are sure. Don't buy if you're not sure. Don't buy if you want refunds. No refunds if you buy from me. Okay, so buy only if you want it, otherwise there's no need. Now we have some OTOs. Front end will increase to $17, but right now if you go and use that coupon code, then you can get this in $12, I guess, along with those bonuses. And I can show you the bonuses are linked with the sales page already. As you can see, this is my bonus link. So when you go to the sales page using my link, you will get these bonuses. Okay, so what we got? So we have OTO 1, which is unlimited, because in front end, don't expect everything in $12. You know that, right? So you have to upgrade if you want some everything unlimited, and then done for you. That is OTO 2. And then we have some SEO upgrade. Then OTO 4 is advanced production. So go and check out their relevant sales pages of these OTOs, and then you can pick and choose. Okay, they also give you white label license, meaning you can sell this as your own software after changing the name if you want. Okay, so we got it right. So you can go and grab this Faith AI copy, use the discount coupon, or use that other coupon which I have shown you in the beginning, and you will go and get those bonuses if you want this Faith AI. So if you buy Faith AI, you get my bonuses. If you don't buy Faith AI, you can go and buy my Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, and you will get those bonuses. Okay. Anyways, go and check out those links below my video we have discussed. So thanks for watching. Go and buy, subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.